The use of cloth insulation for electrical wires was phased out in the mid-20th century because of safety concerns. The specific dates vary by country and region. In the United States it was the mid-1960s. In the United Kingdom it was the 1960s. In Canada, the 1970s, and in Australia, the late 1900s. There are several reasons why it was outlawed. Firstly, fire hazard. Cloth insulation is highly flammable and can easily ignite, leading to electrical fires. Secondly, deterioration. Cloth insulation deteriorates over time, becoming brittle and susceptible to cracking and fraying. Thirdly, electrical leakage. Damaged cloth insulation can allow current to leak, posing an electrical hazard. Replacing cloth-insulated wiring is a serious undertaking that should be performed by a qualified electrician. The following steps outline the general procedure. Firstly, safety first. Shut off electrical power to the affected area and remove any panels or coverings to expose the wiring. Secondly, identify and disconnect. Identify all wires with cloth insulation and disconnect them from terminals and outlets. Thirdly, remove old wiring. Carefully remove the old cloth-insulated wiring from conduits, studs, and other supports. Fourthly, install new wiring. Run new wiring with approved insulation through the same paths as the old wiring. Secure it properly and connect it to terminals and outlets. Fifthly, insulation verification. Use a continuity tester to ensure that all new wires are properly connected and insulated. Sixthly, safety check. Turn on the electrical power and test all circuits to ensure proper operation and no electrical hazards. If the wiring is extensively damaged or there are multiple fires, the entire electrical system may need to be replaced. It is recommended to schedule regular electrical inspections to identify and address any potential wiring issues. Cloth-insulated wiring can still be found in older buildings and may pose a significant fire risk. It is important to take steps to replace it or mitigate the risk by installing smoke detectors and fire alarms.